Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys what you can do if you're stuck or if you're bugging on Heartopia and you cannot move and you don't want to quit the game. You are able to do this, so go to tab, go to settings, go to your watch, go to settings, and as you can see if you scroll here, there's a reset position button that you are able to choose. Select that and then press confirm. It's not going to teleport you, but it's just going to kind of reset your position to where you were. So you will be unstuck, as you can see. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. This is just some tips if you are stuck somewhere in this game. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.